Birmingham in UK is famous for, it is famous for iron and steel industry. World's largest producer of coffee is Brazil. The biggest oil spill in world history took place in the South China Sea. Cuba is the largest producer of what? This question will be answered by you in the comment section below. Please answer this question. Next question. Which among the following is the world's highest road pass accessible on a motor vehicle? The place is Khardungla. C option is correct. The correct sequence of countries on the basis of fish catch in descending order. So it is China, Peru and Japan. C option is correct. The biggest reserves of thorium are in India. C option is correct. One of the leading producers of asbestos in the world is Russia. Asbestos is found maximum in which of the following countries? These are found in Russia. The civilian airport of highest altitude is in Tibet. The country which tops in the production of cocoa is Ivory Coast. Three crops that contribute maximum to global food grain production are the crops are wheat, rice and maize. D option is correct. The world's largest and deepest rail tunnel, Gotthard Base Tunnel, is located in which country? It is located in Switzerland. Which of the following countries does not have a border with Afghanistan? The country is Georgia. New Britain and New Ireland are part of Papua New Guinea. The option is correct. The countries separated by McMahon Line are China and India. Bosnia Herzegovina formed the parts of Yugoslavia. The option is correct. Name the sea whose boundaries touch three continents. The sea are Mediterranean Sea. The two countries connected by a tunnel under the sea are England and France. Which of the following countries are connected by the Park Strait? The countries are India and Sri Lanka. Which of the following are separated by the 49th parallel? The countries are USA and Canada. Which one of the following is not a line of demarcation between two countries? It is international deadline. Which is the new name of the old colony of Northern Rhodesia? It is Zambia. A option is correct. Which country is known as cockpit of Europe? The country is Belgium. The capital of the USA is situated on the bank of river Potomac. Which of the following is also known as Eternal City? It is Rome. What is called as the roof of the world? It is Pamir Knot. C option is correct. The dark continent is Africa. The capital of Tanzania is Dar es Salaam. The option is correct. The Trans-Siberian Railway, that is 8,916 kilometers, 60 kilometers, connects Des in the west to in the east. It connects Moscow in the west to Irkutsk in the east. C option is correct. Next question. Excluding the East European countries and Russia, the countries with largest area under forest is Brazil. Which country is known as the land of thousand lakes? The country is Finland. Which one of the following countries is known as the land of thunderbolt? The country is Bhutan. The capital of East Timor is Dili. It is Dili. The option is correct. Nippon is the name given to Japan, which means the land of rising sun. Which one of the following countries is smaller than India? The country is Argentina. The option is correct. Which one of the following is not an Arab country? It is Israel. The city of Rome is situated on the bank of river. The city of Rome is situated on the bank of Tiber River. B option is correct. Male is the capital of Maldives. The world's wettest continent is South America. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? The pairs, places and location have been given here. Tahrir Square, Abu Dhabi. The option is correct. Match the two lists given below. London, Vatican City, Moscow and New York. St. Peter's Square, Times Square, Trafalgar Square and Red Square. The option that is correct here is B. Next question. What is called as roof of the world? It is Pamir Knot. Which one of the following countries is known as the land of thunderbolt? The country is Bhutan. The capital of Rwanda is Kigali. Rand is currency of Namibia. A option is correct. Which of the following regions is referred to as Garden of Eden as mentioned in the Bible? It is Kutch region of South Iraq. B option is correct. Which of the following is the largest museum? It is the Louvre. A option is correct. Which one of the following is known as the laughing jack of Australia? It is Kookaburra. B option is correct. The current spell of wave in the US has been a fall out of the polar vortex. Which among the following policy of the life insurance company is related to the regular old age pension? It is none of these. The option is correct. Next question. Now we will learn about the important schemes. Important schemes are always asked in the examination, so it is very important, and these questions are very important for your examination. So let's start the questions from important schemes. The first question is, decimal system of Indian currency was started. It was started in the year 1957. C option is correct. Antyodaya program is associated with upliftment of the poorest of the poor. The option is correct. Which of the following is not a necessary condition for the development of India? The thing that is not a necessary condition for the development of India is population growth. C option is correct. The Indian economy can be most appropriately described as a mixed economy. The option is correct. The Tarapur Committee recommended that before capital account was made convertible, the rate of inflation should be brought down for 3 years to within 3.5%. A option is correct. What is NABARD's primary role? NABARD's primary role to provide term loans to state cooperative banks, to assist state governments for share capital contribution, to act as refinance institution. The option is correct. All of the above. Under which act policy was B for established? It established under the Sikh Industrial Companies Act. C option is correct. What is the maximum amount of investment in the shares of debentures of notified companies like the ICICI, the IDBI, etc. that will entitle a rebate in income tax up to 20% of the amount invested? It is rupees 80,000. A option is correct. Which authority recommends the principle governing the grants in aid of revenues of the state out of the consolidated fund of India? It is Finance Commission. C option is correct. RBI does not transact the business of which of the following state government? It is Jammu and Kashmir. C option is correct. Which admits the following banks was recently converted to a universal bank? It is IDBI Bank. Which of the following PSUs has privatized? The PSUs that has privatized are HZL. Which admits the following banks was converted to a universal bank recently? It was ICICI Bank. Who has provided the savings bank facility to the largest number of account holders in India? It is Post Office. The option is correct. The symbol of Reserve Bank of India is tiger before a palm tree. For whom was the first departmental life insurance started? So it was started by employees of Postal Department. What is the animal of insignia of RBI? So the animal is tiger. B option is correct. To achieve high rates of growth of national output, the economy has to increase the rate of investment and reduce the capital output ratio. The option is correct. The proceeds of income tax go to center and states. C option is correct. National income refers to money value of capital goods produced by a country during a year. C option is correct. A scheduled bank is one which is included in the second schedule of Reserve Bank of India Act. C option is correct. What is the extent of change of literacy rate envisaged by the end of the 10th 5-year plan? So it is from 65% to 75%. A option is correct. Which of the following Mahatma Gandhi series of currency notes issued by the RBI has ecology depicted on it? It is rupees 100 note. B option is correct. What has been the order of India's imports during the last 3 years? It was US $40 billion. B option is correct. What is the purpose of India Brand Equity Fund? The purpose of India Brand Equity Fund to make in India a label quality. B option is correct. Which of the following Mahatma Gandhi series of currency notes issued by RBI has a drawing of the Parliament House depicted on it. The note is rupees 50. C option is correct. What are open market operations? Open market operations are selling of gilt acid as securities by the government. C option is correct. Why did the government ban the import of Terminator seeds? These seeds contain genetically engineered properties to prevent further multiplication. C option is correct. How does consumer benefit with VAT? The consumer benefit with VAT, it removes tax on tax and thus reduces price rise. A option is correct. In estimating budgetary deficit, the official approach in India is to exclude drawing down of the cash balance. C option is correct. The best way a bank can avoid loss is to accept sound collateral. B option is correct. Which amidst the following rural banks has been named after a river? It is Vardha Gramin Bank. B option is correct. Which of the following is an open market operation of RBI? It is trading in securities. During which 5-year plan did India lay down the objective of the need to ensure environmental sustainability of the development strategy? It is 9th 5-year plan. D option is correct. Which of the following is not an objective of the monetary policy of the RBI? It is ensure social justice. Which bank was merged in the Punjab National Bank in February 2003? The bank was Nedangadi Bank Limited. C option is correct. State which among the following is not true about VAT? The statement that is not true is it will make our exports more competitive. D option is correct. The securities are always less in comparison to gold, foreign bonds and government bonds. D option is correct. Merchant banking is an institution which provides finances to international trade among countries. B option is correct. The system of issuing the monitoring of money in the market is known as minimum reserve ratio. Which among the following Indian state does not transact its business through Reserve Bank of India? The state is Jammu and Kashmir. Which among the following subjects is not an aim of the monetary policy of Reserve Bank of India? It is to ensure social justice. The government of India made it obligatory on the part of all commercial banks that they should give some cash amount while purchasing government bonds. What would you call this? We will call this statutory liquidity ratio. A option is correct. The receipts of which of the following taxes duties are not shared with the states? It is tax on income except agriculture. A option is correct. The national income of country is total productive income. B option is correct. Under the minimum reserve system, the Reserve Bank of India as the sole authority of the note issue is required to maintain assets worth not less than 200 crores of rupees. C option is correct. Which admits the following taxes collected by the union is not mandated to be assigned to the states? It is service tax. One of the objectives of industrial licensing policy in India was to ensure balanced industrial development across regions. The option is correct. Currency notes of rupees 2 demonetization and ABU are liabilities of Reserve Bank of India. The type of note issue system following in India is minimum reserve system. B option is correct. Inflation is caused by increase in money supply. D option is correct. A firm sells new shares worth rupees 1000 directly to individual. This transaction will cause no impact on gross national product. What is the revised upper limit for the foreign direct investment in telecom service companies? It is 74%. Which from the following is not true when the interest rate in the economy goes up? It is return on capital increases. Open market operations refers to purchase and sale of government securities by the RBI. C option is correct. Which is the first public sector corporation of independent India? It is Damodar Valley Corporation. D option is correct. Which of the following is not considered as an infrastructure investment in a automobile industry? Which one of the following currencies has the highest value in the terms of rupee? The currency is dollar. B option is correct. What is known as the open market operation of the RBI? It is trading in securities. Which of the following functions as a controller of credit in India? It is the Reserve Bank of India. When did the rupee become a freely convertible currency on current account in India? It has become in the year 1994. Antyodaya program is associated with upliftment of the poorest of the poor. The government resorts to devaluation of its currency in order to promote exports. The basic regulatory authority for natural mutual funds and stock markets lies with the SEBI. C option is correct. The employment guarantee scheme, which is now an important component of NCMP, was first introduced in which state? It was introduced in the state Maharashtra. B option is correct. Identify the Navratna company is following HPCL Limited. C option is correct.